Good morning, everybody. It is day 2. It is Thursday. This is our view as we woke up. Love this pull-out couch, but also really love this view. We're having donuts for breakfast. The lady, did I show you guys yesterday? The lady that owns this condo and her husband own not just a bunch of these condos, but they own a donut shop called Okaloosa Donuts, and she left us 6 donuts. So that is our breakfast for this morning. And then I think what we're gonna do is enjoy the beach or the pool or both. But that's Cody out there, right there. I don't know what he's doing. All right. Well, I will check in with you guys once we figure out what exactly we're doing today. It is 9:39. We're all ready. Did I tell you guys that? Did I have I checked in yet? I'm not really sure. But I am making some wraps and some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches before we head to the beach. But I wanted to update you all because we haven't left yet on what we're doing. We're just getting some food and drinks ready. Exciting stuff. I thought I would quickly show you guys what I packed. So we have 2 bags of popcorn, some wheat thins, 2 of these Caesar salad wraps, 3 peanut butter and jellies, and then I have a whole bunch of granola bars at the bottom. And then I have in here a bunch of juice pouches for the kids, 2 of these Coke Zero orange vanillas. I haven't tried these yet, but these were a substitution in my Publix order. 2 waters with these Crystal Light lemon iced tea packets. 1 of these pina coladas in a cup, just in case I feel like having a pina colada on the beach. As you guys know, I'm not much of a drinker, so we will see. We'll see how that goes. I did just make myself another cup of coffee, so I think I'm going to take that to go with me. Where are the fish at? Oh yeah, I see them. That's all right. Hey, Sienna, can you grab his guy right there? It's right by his feet. Did he lose him?
Yeah. I see him.
You see all those fish? Are they sea fish? Those little fish? See them?
Hey, look at me, kid. Look, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Cheese.
Don't lose your guy.
What can we use for that to speak so?
Oh. Those are such pretty fish.
Yeah, I almost fell asleep.
for the first time.
Use your arms too.
Little update. It is now 7:20, so it is 8:20 Cincinnati time. We just got out of the pool. Come on, children. And we're going to get dry clothes on and relax. I'll update you on. As I was saying, we came up and my kids are eating nachos and ham. But we came up from the pool because I want them to get a good sleep. It is 7:30 here, so 8:30 at home. And I would like them to sleep and get up early because since it is August, I feel like they need to get reacquainted with getting up early. And I feel like now is like the time to do it. I'm burnt to a crisp. I'm a lot redder on this camera than I feel like I am in real life, but I love it. I do. It's like the one thing that like I come for is that sun, that, you know, that hot feeling at the end of the day. Love it. But we just spent the day honestly at the beach, and then we came back here and me and my kids just hung out. They're tan. They wore like a lot of sunblock. I, on the other hand, didn't wear much, so they're good. They look like they have good color on them. And then we went to the pool for a little bit. We had hot dogs and tater tots for dinner, and then now we're here. Well, we ate dinner and then went to the pool, and now we're here eating snacks before we go to bed. Tomorrow will be an exciting day of pretty much the exact same thing. I think we just wake up and go to the beach. And that's about it. I'm actually getting in the water here where I'm at in Destin. I think all of Destin is like this, where the water is like crystal clear. So I've been just floating around in there. I don't go past like where I can like kneel, but yeah, it's been a really fun second day. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I have no idea what I recorded today, how much footage I have. So we'll slap it all together and put it out there. It's definitely gonna be another Advil and water day for Cody. I didn't drink anything. That champagne, that did me in. That's like all I needed. And I'm good for the rest of the vacation. I woke up this morning with a excruciating headache, and it was just a gentle reminder of why I don't drink. The headache was case number one. Alright, now I'm just rambling. I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, bye.